Union Minister of State for Home, Bandi Sanjay Kumar, holds high-level review meeting in Shillong. Meghalaya police alert on rebel recruitment and border infiltration. Charles Pengrove urges district-wide rehab centers and rising drug menace. And National People's Youth Front felicitates 164 students in East Khasi Hills. The news in detail. Union Minister of State for Home, Bandi Sanjay Kumar, held a high-level review meeting in Shillong on Friday to assess the implementation of central schemes in Meghalaya. Senior officials, including Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil Ahmed, attended the session. Dr. Ahmed noted that the minister acknowledged key challenges such as delayed fund release, difficult terrain, and limited access to remote areas. While the focus remained on development and welfare programs, border security and infiltration issues were not discussed during the meeting.
Honorable MOS Home Government of India had visited Shillong today and has been reviewing the various schemes implemented by the state, interacted with the different departments today and sought the views and any issues pending with the Government of India. He has agreed to take up with the Government of India. Actually, all the central sector schemes he has evaluated and he has checked the implementation and he suggested his own suggestions of saying when any issues pending, he said he will take up with government.
Meghalaya police have confirmed reports of fresh recruitment and regrouping efforts by rebel groups, sparking concerns over a possible revival of militancy in the state. DGP Idashisha Nongrang stated that while inputs have been received, the scale and identities involved remain unclear. Leader of the opposition, Mukul Sangma, earlier warned the educated youth may have joined militant outfits. Meanwhile, infiltration threats persist along the unfenced Indo-Bangladesh border, with Assam's eviction drives adding pressure.
Obviously, it knows a lot of things which we are also keeping track of. The leader of the opposition had also raised this issue about youth joining various, whether educated or uneducated, joining, trying to, and militancy trying to make a comeback. In the bordering districts, whether it is in the Western Range or in the Eastern Range, we are working very closely with the BSF. We have had numerous coordination meetings. We have increased what we call the mobile check, the MCP's mobile check posts, both with the BSF and by the police itself.
During the handing over of an ambulance to HYC Nong Thamai Circle on Saturday, Nong Thamai MLA Shri Charles Pengrove raised concerns over the growing drug problem and called for rehabilitation centers in every district. He praised HYC's efforts in rehabilitating addicts and urged local headmen and residents to support the initiative. The ambulance provided following HYC's request is expected to serve the poor and needy in the area.
Cadets siya kakam baka HYC Nong Thamai kilakit laslam banlum banlang yakini samla ki jungi ibalang nop hakini ka drugs Indre ni shem jinge ban yalam yaki shaki jaga sumar banamar sim bila yalam yaki ni kena ke bala dan apa influence juga drugs pun boleh di dan gram ke jaga de-addiction centers aman lagi district mungkin tengah Shillong aman lagi district pun boleh kita ikut jalan tambahkan sup ya kita try mansub hai kita kam.
The Khasi Students Union or KSU Kinshi Maupanyan unit visited the grieving family of late Condolence Imle in Umdum village, east and west Khasi Hills, following the recovery of her body a day after she was reported missing. Led by Unit President Krau Kular Jirwa, the delegation expressed solidarity and extended moral support to the bereaved family who suspect foul play in her death. The union voiced serious concern over rising criminal activities in the region and urged authorities to investigate the case thoroughly and deliver justice. 35 cadets from the 42 MEGHALAYA Battalion NCC Shillong Group marked National Space Day with an insightful visit to the North-Eastern Space Application Centre NISAC in Umya, Meghalaya. Cadets from Khasi and Jaintia Hills were briefed by NISAC scientists on the role of the space technology in disaster management, communication and regional development. The event aimed to inspire youth from remote and underprivileged areas to explore STEM opportunities and take pride in India's space achievements. On Friday, the Seimle clan Kpo Meidem of Umdom, Lom Mau Siang, Eastern West Khasi Hills, led by President Kraukupar Seimle, met with the officer in charge of Mairang Police Station to follow up on the case of late Stidolin Seimle and express concern over remarks made by the headmen of Umdum and Maungkmarang villages. The clan condemned a media statement alleging that the family members of the deceased were intoxicated during a meeting with the headman, calling it defamatory and deeply hurtful. They demand a public apology via social media within 2 days, warning that failure to comply would result in a formal FIR.
Kaba ta iyangi kakur marok kawai bak hakajing sa katu kamdera baka ta tanya kakur kala ta lang wat ya kasnong kat hauro da kumno bakat kisadar kinut ban kren ni kitu kikentin hapok ki social media ban pen kata mat yang ya kajinglong personal midawa ya ki bakim pensai lembak ki social media hapok resmi lada kimla ban pensai lembak da social media hapok resmi ngin aidak FIR persai ki.
In a pre-dawn operation on August 22nd, the Special Cell of Juai DEF, led by Additional SP Jason Myrom, intercepted an Alto K10 at Demtring suspected of transporting stolen vehicle parts. Spot interrogation led to the recovery of 3 stolen Yamaha Cygnus Ray ZR 2-wheelers hidden in the nearby jungle. 3 individuals were apprehended and confessed to stealing the vehicles from Shillong's Laban and Jhalupara areas. All vehicles and the car used in the crime have been seized and further legal action is underway. Authorities reaffirm their commitment to public safety and swift enforcement. The Jaintia Students' Union, or JSU, central body led by General Secretary Nilki Mukhim and Vice President Ringkat Chanbor Dingdo, met with the Deputy Commissioner of West Jaintia Hills to raise concerns over a scheduling conflict between the DSC and MPSC exams, both set for September 6, 2025. Despite JSU's appeal, the DC, also chairman of the District Selection Committee, confirmed that the dates cannot be changed. The clash affects candidates appearing for the MPSC's Junior Cooperative Officer and DSC's Gram Sevak Supervisor. Over 700 students
Toto hachwa wo organize li hachwa wo vote tarik igini exam liang yung ga DSC committee da pa city gi chak MPSC liang yung ga MPSC mempatia wa halor kani ga tarik kedai teguk tarik kini ki exam ikwa one request ya ga DSC committee na bantau kendriat ni ga tarik u teguk ga MPSC khnang wa paj ba yang iyo gi u yo gi te kabu thok kan ap li exam ki wa da pemban ga DSC wa ga MPSC.
Over 700 students attended a career guidance seminar held at the District Library Auditorium, Mentong, Juai, organized by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, West Jaintia Hills, in collaboration with SPMIS Academy, Guwahati. The event aimed to inspire youth to explore career paths and make informed choices. Local MLA and MUDA Chairman Wailat Miki Shilla emphasized the importance of career counseling and time management, urging students to discover their strengths. He also presented a 1 lakh rupees check to singer Devi Tawan Sinha for his contribution to music.
We can stress upon especially career counseling. because I have been through as the local representative, the MLA, or many who have come to me after completing their degree or their education, they don't know what to do. So I feel it is high time that we should focus on the students.
The National People's Youth Front, East Khasi Hills Unit, felicitated 164 students who passed their SSLC and HSSLC exam during a ceremony held on Saturday. Chief guest Given Milliam and PPMLA from Sora highlighted that 72% of the population is under 35 and urged youth to channel their energy through self-employment and government initiatives. MLA Wailat Miki Shilla, MDC Grace Mary Karpuri and other dignitaries join in honouring the students for their academic achievements.
Lingba ki interventions ki babun, ki programs ki babun, ban prinslori phi kum ki khon samlaru ban yang halaki jong ki kijap, ban yesothu ban agalang ka jong phi ngazon ong, ba phen pendon kam hok ya kata talung ka boble la ai happy, ba phen long shisha kita ki khon samla, ki ban no sinyang, nagbenta ka jingkiu artet. Jong kani kajilla Meghalaya kajongi.
DK Ka Automotive in Lightcore Shillong, located near FE Music Cafe, was burglarized by unknown miscreants who entered through the skylight. The thieves made off with car audio system, vehicle accessories and cash, with losses estimated at 1 lakh rupees. Pinsuk Lang Shongwan, the store owner, has filed an FIR at Madanriting police station. In a public statement, he urged citizens not to purchase stolen goods, warning that doing so fuels criminal activity. The weather report. First, let's take a quick look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was recorded at 24 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 29 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 74% and rainfall was recorded at 3 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius and maximum temperature was 25 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity was 70% and rainfall was recorded at 6 millimeter. Meanwhile, in Joy, minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius, maximum temperature was 24 degrees Celsius, and relative humidity was 73%, while rainfall was recorded at 8 millimeter. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Joy says moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. Before we wrap up, here are the headlines once again. Union Minister of State for Home Bandi Sanjay Kumar holds high-level review meeting in Shillong. Meghalaya Police alert on rebel recruitment and border infiltration. Charles Pingrove urges district-wide rehab centres amid rising drug menace. And National People's Youth Front felicitate 164 students in East Khasi Hills. Well, viewers, that is all we have for you from our newsroom this evening. We will be back tomorrow at the same time with new updates. Till then, have a good night.
শহীদ মনবৰ নাথক ব্ৰিটিছে গুলীয়াই হত্যা কৰিছিল।